Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to share the Google form and view the question responses in Google Forms. So, in simple words, the response, it means the answers that others have provided in your form. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So I had a form, Google form inside this folder. So let me open this form. And if I want to share this form with someone, all I have to do is click on send. Then type the email of the person I want to send this to. I'm going to use my email over here, my other email. Let's see. Okay, it is already here. Okay, click over here and then click on include form in email and then click on send. Now to verify, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Gmail. So over here I got a mail, and now I can fill out the forms. Let's say fill out in Google Forms. Now let me just fill this up real quick. 16. Now if I submit it, it says your response has been recorded. So now if I go back to my form, there is number 1 beside the response. That means we have received a response from an email. So if I click over here, I can see the response, that is one response, and the question responses. You can view your responses in many ways like this. You can also view the individual responses. Now if you want to view the response in a Google Sheet, all you have to do is simply click over here. And now it is showing me the response. So now I have the timestamp, that which time this response was recorded, what is the response, what is the question, and what is the response. So this is how you can view the responses in Google Sheets. So if you want to delete this response, all you have to do is click on this bin icon and click on delete response and click on yes. Now there is 0 response as you have deleted the response. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to view the questions in Google Forms and also how to share and how to delete the responses. So thank you for watching.